And then we're done. You've already done the original, Dave, so you know how to do that. Get it done. All right, good luck.
The sovereign citizen.
This time he tells which he's guilty of violating probation by testing positive for alcohol February 24th, May 8th, and June 5th of this year via ETG testing.
All right, Ms. Giroli, what's your recommendation?
At this point, I would recommend that we just discharge without adjournment.
No objection to get.
Refresh my memory, Mr. Scott, you're working?
I'll take care of it.
Okay.
I already know that he did, he was scheduled to be off probation 3 months ago,
Yep.
but he did complete substance abuse treatment.
Where'd you do that at, Mr. Scott? Sorry to interrupt, counsel.
It's called MINDS, MINDS.
Where at?
So, Wolverine. I managed by.
Ms. Giroli, you heard of them?
Yes, Your Honor, there, it's a being interaction.
You've seen them before, though. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Well,
Highland Park.
As-
Send me into a farm.
as I determine how I'm going to close this file out, tell me one thing you learned through the process with mines.
I believe like a Zoom class and he talked about like different objectives, like
No. I don't want to know what he talked about. I want to know what you learned. What'd you take away from that process?
I was drinking and driving, then I was struggling and keeping a clear head.
All right. All right. I'll close the file unsuccessfully with 3 days on the work program. Bang out the 3 days and we're done with each other. All right. Counsel, are we ready on Jones? All right, come on up. Mr. Leckie, I'm recalling Jones. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll get to it. Thank you. All right. So I'm assuming, counsel, after you saw this, you understand my concern.
Judge, maybe the APA can speak on this one. I actually think that letter's old.
I don't know. I just got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, one, it says, it's referencing, one, my client told me that he saw that letter for assessing original.
Okay.
Correct. That's
Okay.
correct, Judge.
Okay. Okay.
It references a form of gold, so that's
Okay. That's pretty good indication.
someone with a 9-month old, you don't create that.
All right.
Judge, I think, and I would also say that, she made that statement after the activity that brought the emergency started, but that was all in consideration, so.
Understood.
That's correct.
Okay. All right. So what are we here for today, Mr. Rowland?
But we're here for sentencing on the second one. This went to a trial date, eventually, again,
That's right. That's right. Yeah, he's on probation with Judge Martin. Yeah. Mr. Leckie, no objection to running that concurrent with Judge Martin's?
Concurrent. I thought we were going to reset the clock at the 12 months. So restart at 12 months.
So another 12 months from today with the idea that he's not double dipping, he's whatever he's doing for Martin, that
Yes.
satisfies it? Is that the
Yes.
agreement? I'm okay with that. All right.
And I do want to remind, I guess, everyone involved of, what we talked about when we pled is that if this happens again, there is likely going to be jail time. I think those were the judge's words explicitly. I mean, this is 2 times convictions out of multiple incidences, so we don't want it to continue any further.
And Judge, I had a conversation with them. They have a child in common, and that complicates things, and there's a court
Yeah.
order to see that child now.
Yeah.
I told him if there's ever any sort of issue between you starting, you need to run the other way, not walk. Yeah, this is it.
You're living your life. You're living your life on thin ice until the kid's 18. Probably after that.
Probably.
Don't say anything yet. So here's what I tell people all the time. You drink coffee? Okay. Okay. All right. You eat fast food? Okay. So you at least have to be as civil to the baby's mama as you are to the person you order your food from. Right? And I know that's not easy because you don't have history with the person you're ordering a burger from. But civility will avoid a lot of lawyer work. All right. Anything else, Mr. Leckie?
No, thank you, Judge.
Anything else?
Judge, with the child in common, I know the court would impose another order over probate court order.
Here's what I was going to do. I was going to do 12 months probation. Don't violate on Martin file. Because whatever the terms are there is what I'm understanding the agreement was between you and the prosecution. I don't even know what all those terms are. I don't care to know. I don't need to know. Does that satisfy you?
Yeah, conversation with Officer Grant. Mr. Jones does seem to be in compliance with this.
Good. All right. Where are you working? Just remodels and everything else? All right. Killing it right now. Pretty busy. Good. All right. $500 costs. Make arrangements downstairs. Take care of that. Oh, he's got a bond?
He has a bond.
Look at that. We'll just take your bond and be done. All right. Good luck. Thank you, Mr. Leckie. I appreciate it.
Of course, Judge, anytime. Thank you all.
The Sovereign Citizen.